Hey, welcome back. How are you?
I'm good, Chris. How are you?
Oh, great. Great. Good to see you.
Yeah, I know. It's been a while. I was just on vacation.
Oh, yeah? Where'd you go?
Actually, I was in the Caribbean.
Oh,
yeah.
I love
I was drinking this drink. It was called the Trade Winds. Yeah, it was really good. I was drinking them every day. It was delicious.
I love the Trade Winds.
You do? Yeah, it's really good.
I love the Caribbean. I've had it many times.
Yeah, do you think you could make one?
I can. I have all the ingredients right here, actually.
You got the stuff. Yeah.
Light rum, dark rum, Apricot Liqueur, coconut cream. I got it all.
Yeah. I'll feel like I was in the Caribbean. Still,
just a drink.
I think it would be great.
Let's go for it. Ready?
Yeah, let's have one.
And then compare my drink to the one in the Caribbean.
Yeah, well, you got a lot to live up to. They're really good down there.
Let's give it a shot. First step, we're going to take your dark rum and we're going to put an ounce into a shaker tin. Then we're going to do light rum.
We're mixing the light and the dark. It's kind of like a medium rum.
It's a medium rum, yes. Not too dark, not too light. Perfect.
Right down the middle.
Fresh lemon juice, also 1 ounce. Cream of coconut, 1.5 ounces.
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, it's great.
It's nice and thick.
Perfect, that's how you want it. And 1 ounce of Apricot Liqueur.
Well, that's kind of a small bottle.
Yeah, because it was free. That's it. Now we're going to add ice, but we're going to do a half and half. We're going to do half crushed ice, half cubed ice.
Okay. So what do? You just
so we're going to take this ice bag, aka a Lewis bag.
Yeah.
We're going to put a little cubed ice in there. And then with the proper ice mallet, we're going to give it a little love tap there.
Wow, that seems more than a love tap. You're really beating that ice up.
Oh yeah. Well, I'll show you why in a minute too. Do the crushed ice. Okay, we're going to open the bag up. We're going to pour it right in the tin.
Yeah.
Just like that. And then we're going to put a few extra cubes of the whole cubed ice in here. Get a shaker pint. Give it a nice shake. That'll do it. And we use the crushed ice because we're going to open pour.
You're just going to dump it in there, huh?
Dump it in there. No strainer.
Wow. Look at that.
Just like that. And then we're going to use a lemon wedge for a garnish and a nice metal straw there for you. And there you have a Trade Winds.
Well, let me give it a try.
Try it. See what you think. See how it compares to the Caribbean.
Wow.
What do you think?
It's delicious.
Not bad, huh?
That coconut. I mean, it's just like being back in the Caribbean.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Well,
I thought you'd enjoy it.
Well, thanks, Chris.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome. If you liked this cocktail, like the Blue Collar Bar for more.
I love the Blue Collar Bar.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I've seen you before.
Yeah. I've been here a few times. Yeah.
Great. Well, also subscribe.
Yeah, I mean, I'm subscribed.
Beautiful.
Blue Collar Bar.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Is there anywhere else that I could find you?
There is. You can find me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
Yeah, that's you.
That's me.
The Blue Collar Bartender.
Yeah, keep coming back.
Yeah, well, keep making great drinks, Chris, and I'll keep coming back.
I sure will. Well, thank you. Great to see you.
Yeah, thanks, Chris. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.